Welcome, in front of me I have SONY Xperia C5, and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. And the first, you have to click and hold your home screen and then pick widgets. Right now you can pick that one that you want to apply. So for example, I'm going to choose Google Play Music. Click, hold, and then drag it for the screen that you want to get it. I'm going for the right one. Oh, I just misclick, so click, hold again, then put it here. And as you can see, we can change size of this widget just like that by moving this dots. When you tap on your home screen another time, it will be set up. So that's how it looks, and if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.